I have got a clean sheet. One from the Supreme Court, one from the High Court, one from the District Court, and one at earlier than that. Means argument before charge is a stage in law where there never was any charge against you. Police were used to make a charge. So this was dropped.
Correct.
That means I was clean.
Whether Manohar Parrikar as a person who filed that complaint, today seriously believes that Mauvin Godinho was innocent and you are a victim of a political vendetta, and as opposition leader, he tried to do the best out of it.
See,
does he believe that?
See, if he had not believed that, number one, if he had not believed that, he would have not admitted me to his party, that is the Bharatiya Janata Party.
You were sitting next to him. How did you feel when he called it attempt to scam? You agree with that terminology? Now let me ask.
I can safely say there was not even there was nothing of a so-called scam in the making, which is proved by the fact that it was at best a simple irregularity of not following business rules. I can show you 100 such examples in normal governance by any chief minister or any minister where it is just overlooked as a procedural error. पक्ष बदलू आणि असले हांव सुदिनाचे सांगता गजाल्यो. सुदीन पयलो बीजेपी वांगडाय बसलेलो आसा सरकारान, काँग्रेसी बरोबरूय बसलेलो आसा. म्हाका याद आसा काँग्रेसीन आसतना असोच ताणें एक रिवोल्ट म्हूण केलो आनी तेजो PWD गेलो पोर्टफोलियो आनी उरला ते आख्खे टर्म तो एकूच ट्रान्सपोर्ट घेवन रावलो. म्हणजे ताणें कितें ट्राय केली तेन्ना काँग्रेसीन आसतना चीफ मिनिस्टर जावपाक प्रयत्न केली. लास्ट ही लॉस्ट PWD पोर्टफोलियो आनी तो फक्त ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर ना जशें पत्ता थोडे हुंय लागता तशें तूं हुंय लागता आनी तेंकता. फाल्यां काँग्रेस पावरार आयल्या परत तूं काँग्रेसी बरोबर आसतलो. सो कोण ऑपॉर्च्युनिस्ट आनी कोण बदलू? तूं व्हडलो बदलू म्हूण सांगले, तूं हुंय पावर येता थिंगा रांदो. आज तो दाखोवपाक सोदता की आपण बीजेपी बरोबर ना. फाल्यां बीजेपी मेजॉरिटी जाली हो एक चुकोन आमी ओन मेजॉरिटी पावर येता ती दुसरी गजाल जावन आसा. चुकोन एक सुद्दां शो हो पयली जावन येतलो. म्हणजे
तुम्ही म्हणटात की सुदिनान जरी पक्ष बदललो ना तरी दोन्ही सायडीची उदक सुदीन पिलो म्हणून.
होय, आनी फुडें तो पीत रावतलो.